What if I told you the real reason stairs feel harder after 60 is not just aging? It's a silent loss of strength that most people don't notice.
I've worked with many older adults who believed their legs were just getting old until one day, a simple flight of stairs became something they started avoiding, not because their body stopped feeling reliable.
And here's what concerns me most. Struggling with stairs is often one of the first warning signs. It tells us that key muscles, your thighs, your hips, your stabilizers, are quietly weakening. And that increases your risk of falls, joint pain, loss of independence. It happens silently. But here's the good news. In this video, I'll show you 6 simple exercises that can help you rebuild strength, restore balance, and make stairs feel safe again. Because once you understand what your body really needs, everything starts to change. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button and turn on the bell. And if you find this helpful, comment 1 below. It often starts very small. You sit down, and when you try to stand up, your legs hesitate. But that moment, that's your body telling you strength is slipping. For people over 60, standing up from a chair is one of the most important indicators of independence. The good news? You can rebuild it. How to do it? Sit on a firm chair, not a soft couch. Feet flat, shoulder width apart. Slide your feet slightly back, lean forward slightly, nose over toes. Now stand up slowly. Push through your heels. Use your hands if needed, that's okay. Now sit back down, slowly. That slow lowering, that's where strength builds. Don't rush. Don't drop into the chair. Control equals strength. Once you rebuild this, something powerful happens. And now we move to the next step, turning that strength into real stair power. Exercise 2. Most people think stairs need strong legs. But that's not the full story. You also need to train your body to use that strength correctly. That's where step-ups come in. Stand in front of a step. Hold support if needed. Place one foot on the step. Pause. Feel your weight centered. Push through your heel. Step up slowly. Then come down with control. Don't push off the back leg. Don't rush. Let the front leg do the work. Why it matters. This builds confidence and teaches your body to trust one leg at a time. But here's what most people miss. Strength alone is not enough. Balance matters. Most falls don't happen going up. They happen when your body becomes unstable sideways. That small wobble, that's a weak stabilizer muscle. Stand sideways to a step. Place one foot on the step. Stay upright. Bring the other push sideways. Don't lean. Move slow. Stay controlled. Why it matters. This improves balance and prevents falls. Now you've built strength and balance. But something is still missing. If stairs feel heavy, the problem might not be your thighs. It might be your calves. These muscles give you that final push upward. If stairs feel heavy, the problem might not be your thighs. It might be your calves. These muscles give you that final push upward. Stand behind a chair, feet hip-width apart, rise onto your toes. Hold 1 to 2 seconds, lower slowly. Important, don't bounce, move slow. Why it matters. This restores power in your step. Now let's talk about something most people ignore, going downstairs. Going downstairs is actually more dangerous because it requires control, not just strength. How to do it. Stand on a step, lower the other foot slowly. Don't rush, keep knee aligned. Why it matters. This protects your knees and prevents falls. Now we reach the most overlooked part, a simple technique that changes everything. Most people struggle with stairs, not because they're weak, but because they're moving wrong. What to do? When stepping up, lean slightly forward from your hips, nose over toes. It aligns your body and makes movement easier. Important, don't overdo it. Keep it natural. Stairs are more than steps. They are a test of strength, balance, confidence, independence. These fears don't disappear overnight until one day you notice. But here's the good news. You can take control. Small actions done consistently can change your future. Start today. Even a few minutes, that's enough. And if you found this helpful, comment 1 below, because staying independent and share this with someone who needs EPS.